Hey folks, today I'm making s'mores with natural goodies. Let's see if it's gonna be a tasty triumph or a gooey mess. First up, wild berries. But these squirrels seem to have claimed them. Guess I'll have to negotiate for some.
Gathered some dry sticks for the fire. But oh boy, the wind's playing tricks on me today. Smoky eyes, here I come.
Looking for some natural sweetener. Found some honeycombs, but the bees have other plans. Hope they're not too grumpy.
Got the fire going. Now, balancing this marshmallow stick is like taming a wild beast. Who knew cooking was this intense? Got the fire going. Now, balancing this marshmallow stick is like taming a wild beast. Who knew cooking was this intense? I smell something burning. Oh, it's just my marshmallow. Looks like it's gonna be more charcoal than golden brown.
Time for a prank. Let's hide in this cave and give those hikers a little Bigfoot sighting to remember. Boo!